What's good, people? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 9th of August right now, and I'm recording this to explain what is going to be happening in the next few videos that are going to be out. I will be receiving the frame in a couple days time, and my idea behind all these videos is to give you guys a complete behind the scenes look. Essentially, I'm the guinea pig really to test out this bike and to make sure that it's running fine and that there's no problems and that it's gonna work and it's gonna do what the bike is designed to do. So of course I've been on the Druid for quite some time. I've absolutely loved the bike. It's incredibly capable and it can do everything from XC stuff to full-blown downhill stuff, and I've really enjoyed my time on it. But of course I will still remain to ride it now and then. It's still a very playful bike, but the focus right now is currently on this new bike. Ultimately, when I signed with Forbidden, I made a push and stressed that I would like a longer travel bike. For Owen and the guys at Forbidden to make that happen, that's just amazing, and of course it's a big step for them in the right direction. And I think you guys are really going to enjoy this behind the scenes look into the development of it, the testing, my impressions, getting the frame, unboxing it, just going through the frame with my mechanic, having a look. There's a lot of things that are different on it, geo-wise, visually a little bit different as well. And yeah, I'm going to take you through step by step from building it, to testing it, then to racing on it. I'm going to be giving you guys an insight into the phone calls that we have, the organisation, we have photo shoots to do with this bike behind the scenes. So it's going to be a really cool concept, and I've been wanting to do it for quite some time now, and this is the perfect chance to do it. So make sure you give the video a like right now if you're stoked on this content. It's pretty unique, and yeah, I'm excited for what's to come.
Lewis's new frame's on its way up to his place. That should arrive tomorrow. Got some images that really help us tell the story of how we developed and tested the bike. Sure, yeah, okay. It's dead prototype stuff.
Nice.
As for the shock settings, I would, like if you got your base settings from the Druid, just transfer those over and then work from that.
Okay, wicked.
This is a pre-production sample.
Yeah.
It's a rideable sample, but it's not a production bike. It's all hands on deck really.
So I've just taken delivery off the frame, and I have all the spare parts lined up that I'm going to put on my bike. We have the grip, stem, dropper, we have some brand new forks, we have brand new wheels, we have muck-off valves and all the little details, rental bars, brakes as well. So we're going to get this thing unboxed, we're going to take a look at it. My mechanic is currently on his way here. We're going to take a look at it together, figure out what's new, talk a little bit about it, and then we have Innes Graham coming later on to take some photos of it behind the scenes that you will see at some point. But yeah, pretty excited for this. Yeah, keen to get it open, so let's go. Give this video a like right now if you're stoked on Forbidden coming out with a long travel enduro bike. First impressions, this thing looks nice. Super chunky down here, way more visibly chunky, bit more burly. Also a 3D printed thing here for the frame guard. It's like a grey black colour, but straight off the bat, wow, been waiting a long time for this to be developed. So pre-production. Don't look at that moustache. Don't film me. Right, dude. we've got her on 2 wheels. You know what I like straight off first impression? It doesn't look like when I sit on it it's going to be like mega gnarly. I don't know if I'm just overthinking it, but it feels different already. Like just sitting on it, it just feels like it's quite low at the front, and I don't know whether that's because it's chunky and it makes it feel like it's lower, but I just feel like I could have a high-rise bar and it would be, but it's too early to say.
Yeah, just ride it.
Yeah. Yeah, it just feels really low at the front.
I would not have any traction.
Looks nice. It does look nice.
I mean,
doesn't it?
it's
visibly
yeah,
visibly slacker as well. Wow. So we pretty much have most of the bike pieced together. We're gonna, like I said, we just have the little details to put on with the cassette, the drivetrain, shifter, derailleur, rotors, and then a quick bleed of the brakes. Then we'll be good to go for the weekend of testing. So far it looks good. Visually, like looking at it, definitely slacker of course. We have obviously longer travel, but yeah, it looks good so far. And yeah, the next clips will probably be the bike just fully finished, wheels on the ground, and yeah, we'll see how it looks. Good morning. It is the morning after getting the bike finished off. 6:30 right now. This is way earlier than what I usually get up at. But it's good practice because we need to be up this early at the races anyway. But I'm meeting Innes Graham. He's gonna take some photos of the bike before it hits the dirt. Just while it looks all nice and the tires are clean. I'm riding later on. Yeah, it looks good so far. I've had a pedal around on it. Yeah, it's gonna look really, really nice, I think, in the photos that Innes will do, so I'll stick some of them. Trying to push the bike a little bit, see what it's capable of. Whoa! Be sure to give the video a like, you're stoked that there is a new little Travel Forbidden bike and you're enjoying the behind the scenes videos that are coming up. Comment below as well, let me know any questions you have. If you aren't subscribed already, please do, helps a bunch. And until the next video, peace out and we'll see you in the next one.